The Bird's Adventure. Once upon a time, there was a small, beautiful bird with colorful feathers. The bird lived in a big palace with a dwarf. The dwarf kept the bird in a cage and was cruel to her. But the bird still loved him. One morning, the dwarf was nowhere to be seen. The bird was worried. She asked the dog. The dog said, "I saw him going out last night." The bird thought to go out and look for the dwarf. The little bird gathered all her strength and pushed open the door of the cage. The bird flew out and reached a huge forest. She saw the elephant and asked him, "Have you seen the dwarf?" The elephant said, "No." The bird now flew into a big field of snow. The bird loved rolling on the cool white snow with the penguins. But where was the dwarf? With her sharp eyes, the bird saw the dwarf lying in the snow. He was unconscious. The bird and the penguins helped the dwarf regain consciousness. With tears in her eyes, the dwarf thanked the bird. His heart had now changed. The dwarf kept the bird lovingly and took great care of her. Moral of the story: love conquers all.